Morning students. Today I will teach you matter and its states. Matter can change its state on heating or cooling. On heating, speed of particles and the space between them increase, and their speed and the space between them decrease on cooling. We have learned that water changes into water vapor on heating and becomes ice on cooling. Let us understand these changes. Take example of laminate that is liquid and lemon that is solids. Take the shape of container in which it is poured. Now, no shape of its own. Which is no shapes? Liquid. Laminate has no shapes of its own here, but in the case of lemon cannot be poured, stay as it is. Why? Because it has definite shape, does not change its shape according to the shape of the container. Okay children, now anything that has fixed shape, size and cannot flow is called solid. Then, what is the definition of liquid? Anything that does not have a fixed shape, can be poured easily and can flow is a liquid. Now next one, that is what? Liquid and gases. What are the changes of liquid and gases? If you pour some liquid on the floors, then it is spread. But in the case of water, if you boil, then it evaporates. By which method? By heating method. Liquid will always flow downward or sideways, but in the case of gases, gas will flow in every direction, upward, downward, sideways. Here you can say example, gas flow in every direction. Gas fills all available shapes. Incense sticks which fill gas smells. Gas has no shape, and as well as gas has no size. It takes the shape of the container it is filled in. Matter change from one state to another. It means solid convert into liquid. Ice melt on heating and turns into water. Water when heated form water vapor. It means liquid convert into gases. Water vapor condenses on cooling to turn back into water. It means what? Again gas convert into liquid. On further cooling it turns into ice. It means again water turn into liquid. Okay, it means again liquid turn into solid. Here burning candles is showing in this slide. Candles is made of wax. You know, wax is solid in its natural state. You also know a candle just kept outside will not melt unless lit. Okay, here example of ice cream. Ice cream is made from milk. Milk is liquid in its natural state. You know, frozen milk. But ice cream melts and convert into milk. It means solid convert into liquid. Here example is showing ice cream will never evaporate because it is found in liquid. Matter normally does not change its state on its own unless some external pressure of force is applied or its temperature.
Our topic for today is states of matter. Matter is made of particles. It exists in three states, namely solid, liquid, and gas. The different states of matter are due to the different arrangement of particles of matter. In solid state, the particles of matter are very close to each other. So, the particles hold each other very tightly. That is, there is a strong force of attraction between them. As a result, solids have a definite shape and volume. In liquid state, the particles are packed closely together, but they are much farther apart than the particles in solids. And so, the force of attraction is weaker than it is in solids. Therefore, liquids have a definite volume, but they do not have a definite shape. They take up the shape of the container in which they are kept. In gases, the particles of matter are very far away from each other, and so the force of attraction between them is very weak. Thus, gases have neither a definite shape nor volume. They can fill the entire space or volume of a container, irrespective of the container size.